everyone has been waiting for. The De La Salle Lady Spikers delivered a dramatic ending on Saturday to dethrone the defending champions, the Ateneo Lady Eagles, in the UAAP Women's Volleyball Tournament. And to tell us about their journey to the crown are the UAAP champions themselves. The De La Salle Lady Spikers, good morning. Morning. Okay, so first of all, just to break the ice, congratulations. To be honest, you guys won the championship in a dominating fashion. In 3 games, you gave us quite an exciting series, but the last game, it was totally De La Salle Lady Spikers. Okay, tell us how happy are you guys to be able to bring back that trophy to Taft? Anyone? Mika!
Siyempre, sobrang happy kami na, lalo na sa aming mga seniors na graduating na before mag-end yung playing year namin, napag-champion namin yung team.
How about you, Ara?
Yun nga, sobrang happy kami kasi naging worth it lahat ng mga sacrifices namin, lahat ng pinagdaanan namin, nagbunga.
Speaking of sacrifice, alam naman natin, when it comes to La Salle, talagang yung training nyo, ibang klase yung sakripisyo nyo. Nga, parang daming pinagbabawal din during the season. How happy are you to be finally done with the season? To the girls? To the Kim?
Kim.
After the championship, syempre sobrang masaya yung feeling na syempre yung motivation kasi namin is for our seniors since we want them to finish their last year na maganda.
Of course, we have Mika Reyes, Ara Galang, Sid Demicilio, Mika Esperanza, and Carol Cerveza graduating this year. Now, before we go on to that, let's talk a little bit about the series, about the championship. We know that elimination round, you guys won in 3 sets against Ateneo. Second game, you lost in 5 sets to Ateneo. Same scenario happened in the finals. Now, what was your mindset going into Game 3, knowing that it's a clean slate? What was Coach Ramildez who's telling you coming into Game 3? Anyone? Ara?
Siguro, sinunod lang namin yung game plan namin and naniwala kami sa coaches namin and naniwala kami sa bawat isa and sa kasama namin sa lugar.
Anong tingin mo yung winning formula against Ateneo? Yung naging susi?
Siguro yung teamwork and yung sa teamwork kasama dun yung coaches na nagsasabi sa amin kung anong dapat namin gawin and nandun yung paniniwala namin sa coaches namin.
Kumbaga parang nakita natin no, sa stats naman talagang lahat naman din talaga nag-contribute to the game. Now, tingnan naman natin, we know that this is also parang your 3rd championship against Ateneo in 5 times that you've met in the finals. How different is this championship from the rest, from the first 2?
Siguro, this season kasi masyadong maraming pinagdaanan yung team. May mas marami kaming talo this season, unlike yung previous seasons na champion kami. And siguro po yung kaya kahit yung mga natatalo kami, syempre yung championship nandito na, opportunity din namin siya palagpasan. Tsaka yung marami kaming up and downs this season, so na-feel namin kung paano masaktan sa pagtalo, ganyan. Siguro kaya nakuha namin yung championship, isa rin yung love sa isa't isa, syempre. Ano namin ma-feel ng bawat isa rin lang ng coaches, supporters, and...
Ano yung difference ng team nyo last year sa this year? Anyone? Siguro from sige, Mika.
Like yung mga sinasabi ko nga before sa interviews din na yung team namin ngayon compared last season, different composition ng players and masasabi kong lahat nakakapag-contribute.
And Mika, no, we know that this has also been a little controversial season for you. I mean, in terms of sa social media, diba? But and also nakita ko rin, nabasa ko rin sa online na parang the people were booing you whenever you served. How did you deal with the pressure of all of that?
Siyempre po, part lang yun ng game, part lang din yun ng siguro ng rivalry ng Ateneo La Salle. So for me, hindi ko siya tinitake negatively. So part lang siya ng game, okay lang yan.
And ngayon, I know that 5 people are graduating, and of course your fans would want to know what's next. What's next for you guys? Ara?
For me, as of now, kapag may opportunity naman maglaro, go naman ako. Pero, ngayon ipa-prioritize ko muna yung studies ko since may one term pa ako natira.
Okay. How about for Sid?
Siguro tatapusin ko muna din yung studies ko and then kung may opportunity din na maglaro, why not, diba?
Meron na bang mga alok? Meron na mga alok? Meron na. Okay, abangan natin yan. Okay. Si Carol?
Same with Dara, I still have one term to finish and if there's an opportunity to play, why not then?
For Mika?
As of now, hanap muna ako ng mga pwede pang gawin. Kasi since I'm graduating na rin, mag-march na ako sa June. And then yun.
And then, meron pa ba? Wala na. Okay. So, another person that I'd like to talk about, of course, is Kiana D, who is our finals MVP. Well, Kiana, you started off the season without being in the starting six, and you emerged as the finals MVP. How is that possible? That kind of feat? Ano sinasabi mo sa sarili mo within yung time span na yun?
I think I wouldn't have done this without rin my coaches and my teammates kasi sila naman yung nagsusupport sa akin. And syempre to our coach kasi nandun yung patience niya na ituro kami ng ituro. And syempre, sabi ko nga sa ibang interviews rin, if there were 14 finals MVP trophies, everyone should have one.
Wow. That's coming from the finals MVP, of course. But yun sa palo mo, parang may nakita ko medyo may konting emphasis eh. Parang may inspiration ka ba? Parang may extra, determination.
Seniors ko nga. Inspiration ko.
That's a very, very good answer. Okay. Okay, so of course, 5 players are graduating. Now, I want to know how LaSalle is going to look like next year. And of course, the team captain is the best to answer that question.
Honestly, di pa namin alam, syempre. Kasi next year pa yun. So, tingnan na lang po natin next year kung anong mangyayari. Kasi syempre, mawawala yung mga...
One more year.
So,
One
yun,
more
tingnan lang po
year.
natin next year.
One
Now, I
more
want to give
year.
the floor to the graduating seniors who are here to be able to say a message to your LaSalle supporters who have been with you for 5 years.
Super thank you sa lahat ng mga sumuporta sa amin. Kahit na win or lose, nandyan kayo and hindi kayo nagsasawa para manood and sumuporta sa amin. And sa LaSallian community, thank you so much.
Now, so proud of this girl who has gone through an ACL and came back to win another championship. Of course, Aragalang, to Mika Reyes, a message for the fans?
Siyempre, nagpapasalamat kami sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta sa amin na kahit the past 2 seasons, hindi naging maganda yung nangyari. Pero ngayon, nandito pa rin kayo para sumuporta. Thank you so much.
And then for Sid,
Thank you so much sa mga sumuporta, lalo na yung mga family namin, LaSalle community. Thank you din sa mga managers namin na walang sawa sumusuporta. Thank you lahat.
and then also for Carol,
Thank you to all who supported our team and sana sa next seasons tuloy pa rin yung pag-support nyo kahit na marami kaming mawawala. Ayun, thank you.
and to end it, of course, we have the best blocker right here, si Majoy Baron, who came up with 11 big points in the last game of the series. Anong mensahe mo para sa mga DLSU supporters? Ikaw isa ka na sa mga seniors next year, di ba? So, anong papakabangan natin sa LaSalle?
Sana huwag kayo magsawa suporta sa team next season and kita-kita tayo lahat.
Ako, yan, kita-kita tayo lahat. Mukhang marami tayong papakabangan next season. But for now, congratulations. You guys enjoy the well-deserved break and going around ABS-CBN to guest on the shows. And also, of course, your vacation and your bonus. Meron bang bonus? Congratulations.